My name's Gary Greenberg. I actually work in film and TV, and my title would be a precision driver. There's many areas. It's to do with mostly action, anything to do with movement, and I deal in mostly motorcycles, cars, ground-based vehicles, and some water-based vehicles as well. My passion is building custom classic motorcycle vehicles. Retro sort of race sort of styling is really what I call them, and as you can sort of see around us, that's what turns me on. I'm an engineer from birth. I've always been building, constructing and designing things. The connection between the film TV area is that in the film TV I build vehicles also, stunt vehicles, safety systems and so on. So it works really hand in hand with building sort of race cars, obviously understanding the mechanics. And that's exactly what I want to do. I want to show people how to do that at a decent budget. We're talking thousands of pounds to actually build a competitive race car using, as I say, off-the-shelf parts from Otterdock. That's it.